You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing French names in particular that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Now in English this is often pronounced as Beau Rivage, Beau Rivage, but in French this is usually said, well, it is said in French as Beau Rivage, Beau Rivage, so it'd be more correct to say it as Beau Rivage, but it is often pronounced indeed as Beau Rivage. And now you know, like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for your support, thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.